Hello everyone, welcome back again. Let's discuss on prompt engineering. What is a prompt? A prompt is an input or instruction given to an AI model to guide its response and generate the desired output. For example, if you write and use article how AI affecting on future jobs. For every prompt will provide the AI generates a corresponding response which is called the output. So basically AI model does not know you. It does not do anything extra. It always is used to follow your instructions for you. So what is the basics of prompting foundation? Let's discuss on a few model types like a text-to-text models are a class of AI models that takes text as input and generate text as output. These models are versatile and can perform a wide variety of tasks by simply rephrasing the problem as a text generation task. Other one like a text-to-image models are a fascinating area of artificial intelligence that images based on text descriptions. These models leverage advanced techniques to understand textual input and create corresponding visual content. Same like text to video and same like text to task models represent an advanced paradigm in artificial intelligence. These models are often designed to integrate language understanding with the tasks execution, streamlining workflows across various domains. So basically, prompt engineering is the skill of designing instructions called prompts for AI models to get specific and useful outputs. Prompt engineering is the skill of designing instructions called prompts for AI models to get specific and useful outputs. For example, if you know about Taj Mahal, what can you tell me about the Taj Mahal, which is an unclear prompt? Let's make it somewhat good, like describe the Taj Mahal, including its history and architecture. So even we can make it better by adding some I am a student preparing for a history project. Provide a detailed description of the Taj Mahal, including its history, architecture, and cultural significance. Even more, we can make it best like adding something like I want you to act as a history expert. I am a student working on a research project about Mughal architecture. Provide a comprehensive description of the Taj Mahal, covering its historical background, architectural features, artistic details, and its cultural significance in India and the world. Basically, prompt engineering helps you get high quality output from AI and saves time by reducing trial and error. And also, it can be used in many industries like customer support, writing, programming. Let's discuss on short prompting. When working with large language models, short prompting refers to the practice of providing examples within the prompt to guide the model's output. For example, zero shot prompting. This technique involves prompting a large language model to perform a task without providing any specific examples. The model relies solely on its pre-existing knowledge gained during its training to understand and execute the instruction. Essentially, it's asking the model to do something it has learned to do from its vast training data. For example, this movie was terrible. Classify the sentiment of the word. This movie was terrible. The model is expected to respond the negative without any prior example sentiment classification. Same like one-shot prompting. The method involves providing a single example within the prompt to demonstrate the desired output format on task. The one example serves to give the model a clear understanding of what is expected. Same like example like sentence, I loved the book. Here the sentiment is positive. The second sentence is the food was bland. Sentiment is like that. So here we are giving one example called one-shot prompting. The model is now given one example of sentiment classification and is expected to follow that format to classify the second sentence. Same like few-shot prompting. This technique involves providing multiple examples, typically a small number like 2 to 10 examples within the prompt to demonstrate the task. Providing multiple examples helps the model to recognize patterns and better understanding the nuance of the task. For example, sentence is the sun is shining. Sentiment is positive. I am giving a second example like sentence it's raining outside. Sentiment is negative. The third one is sentence the presentation was confusing. Now asking the sentiment. So based on the previous two examples, the large language model gives the result for third sentence. This is all about the short prompting. Zero shot prompting is without example. One shot prompt is with one example. Few shot prompting is with multiple examples like 2 to 10 examples. Based on those examples, the large language model gives result to the user. Let's talk about COT prompting. Chain of thought prompting is a technique used in natural language processing to improve a model's performance. Particularly when it comes to reasoning tasks, it encourages the model to break down a problem step by step. It is helping to generate more accurate and logical answers. So by using step by step reasoning, instead of directly providing an answers to a complex question, the model is prompted to think through the problem in a step by step manner. This helps to human reasoning, where we break down a task into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, a train travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the average speed of the train? If you ask it directly, it will give direct answer. When you ask like with a COT prompting, it will guide step by step. Let's see. This is called COT prompting, chain of thought prompting. It's giving step-by-step guide to give the answer. In the COT prompting, the large language models think and gives step-by-step guide to user. This is all about COT prompting. Let's move on to next.